Finding studs behind walls doesn't have to be a guessing game. In this video, we're breaking down the best stud finders on the market, covering accuracy, ease of use, and key features to help you pick the right tool for the job. The ProSensor M210 is the most advanced stud finder Franklin Sensors offers, and it's a great one. It packs 13 patented sensors for highly accurate detection and features a wide LED display that shows both the center and edges of studs in real time. The M210 adjusts automatically for depth, scanning up to 1.7 inches through various materials. It also includes a built-in live wire detector for added safety. This thing just works. No calibration needed, no guesswork. Unlike other stud finders that require multiple passes, the M210 gives you instant, reliable readings. It's also built tough, earning top ratings from both professionals and DIYers. The accuracy is hard to beat, and if you've struggled with inconsistent stud finders in the past, this one is a game changer. Franklin Sensors has set the bar high with the M210, and for anyone working on walls, this is the tool to get. The Hanson 03040 magnetic stud finder is as simple as it gets, and that's exactly why it works so well. This little tool has been around for years, and it's still one of the most reliable stud finders out there. No batteries, no calibration, just strong rare earth magnets that instantly locate screws and nails in studs. The hands-free design is a game changer, letting it stick to the wall once it finds a stud. It's compact enough to fit in your pocket, and the built-in bubble level adds extra functionality. Accuracy is solid, and it works great on drywall and thin plaster. While it might struggle a bit on older, thicker walls, it's still one of the easiest and most dependable stud finders available. All that plus an unbeatable price makes this a must-have for any toolbox. Franklin Sensors has a few stud finders to choose from, and the ProSensor T6 stands out as a compact yet highly capable option. It uses 6 sensors for more precise detection than traditional models, scanning up to 1.5 inches deep. The wide LED display shows both the center and edges of studs in real time, making it one of the most user-friendly stud finders available. It doesn't require calibration, so you can start scanning instantly, even over a stud. While it's not quite as feature-packed as larger models like the ProSensor M210, it still delivers reliable results for most drywall applications. Some users have noted that it struggles a bit with plaster, but on drywall, it's about as accurate as it gets. Build quality is solid, and it runs on 2 AAA batteries, keeping it lightweight and portable. If you need a no-fuss, dependable stud finder, this one is hard to beat. If a high-end laser level is more than you need, then CRAFTSMAN's CMHT77636 might be just the right fit. This 2-in-1 tool combines a self-leveling laser with a built-in stud sensor, making it a versatile addition to any DIYer's toolkit. The laser projects a crisp, level line up to 20 feet, and the stud finder accurately detects wood and metal studs while also identifying live wires. The center marking channel makes it easy to pinpoint stud locations without second-guessing. Accuracy is solid at 1/8 inch, and the self-leveling feature ensures you're always working with a straight line. It's compact, lightweight, and runs on 2 AA batteries, so setup is effortless. While it's not built for large-scale construction, it's a great option for hanging shelves, installing cabinets, or tackling home improvement projects. If you need an affordable, easy-to-use laser level with stud detection, this one's a solid pick. Also aimed at DIYers and professionals alike, the Zircon MetalliScanner M40 is a versatile tool for anyone working with plaster, drywall, or concrete. This handheld metal detector locates ferrous metals up to 4 inches deep and non-ferrous metals up to 2 inches deep, making it ideal for spotting nails, screws, pipes, and rebar. It features 2 scanning modes, wide scan for general detection and pinpoint scan for precise targeting. The LED display progressively lights up as you get closer to metal, while an audio tone confirms detection. Accuracy is solid, but for best results, make sure to scan over a clean, metal-free surface before use. Some users have noted that it occasionally picks up interference, but a quick recalibration typically fixes the issue. If you're tackling renovations or need a reliable way to find metal behind walls, this compact and lightweight scanner is definitely worth considering.